never give up? There are so many reasons why you should not give up. Paramount to the fact that when you give up, life will still continue. When you give up, those that want to buy their Benz this year will still buy their Benz. When you give up, those that want to build mountains this year, build fountains for themselves. Those that want to build excellent dreams and vision. Those that want to attain their dreams, if you give up, they'll still attain their dreams. You giving up does not mean that when you give up, other people will fail because you have given up. When you give up, life still continues. You should remember this very well. But my word this morning is a word of encouragement. Never give up. Never give up on your dreams. Never give up on yourself. Number one reason why you should never give up is this. If you give up today, you won't reach your goals. You have so many goals that you have set for yourself. Every 31st December, everyone set goals. This year, I want to get a job. This year, I want to save more money. This year, I want to get my own apartment. I want to get my own room. I want to move out this year. And it starts by you doing something. When you find something, you start doing that thing. And then along the line, you give up. Those goals that you have set for yourself, you will end up not attaining those goals. Some of you have plans that you want to own your own companies. You want to run your own enterprises in life. The day you give up, it means that those dreams will die because you will not be able to attain those goals. So that's the first reason you should not give up. Because when you give up, you will not attain your goals. Number two reason, as long as you are still alive, there is hope for better days ahead. As long as you're still alive, there is hope for better days ahead. That is why you should not give up. Today, things can be tough. Today, things can be difficult. Today, things cannot be going the way you want. There might be obstacles in your health, with your family, any things that you are doing in your career. There might be obstacles. There might be tough times. To be honest, every successful person faces tough times. Everybody that is successful today, they all face tough times. That is the reason why you should know that as long as you are still alive, tomorrow is another opportunity. People might look there, there's a saying that the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. That is true. Because as long as you are still walking on the land of the living, there is hope that tomorrow things can change. When your life wants to change, it does not take a day. It takes a minute for everything to turn around. It takes a minute for everything to turn around. That's the reason why, as long as you are still alive, keep your hopes high. Maybe you are here, your plan is to travel around the world like Ferdinand Mandela. You should not give up. Because as long as there is tomorrow, there is hope for the future. You might have been somebody that before coming here, you have your money, you come from a very rich family, life has been good, but maybe one thing or the other has happened and everything is gone. Don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on your dreams. Because as long as there is life, there is hope for tomorrow. Number three, giving up won't solve your problem. Rather, it's a sign that you are incompetent. Take note. When you give up today, it will not solve your problem. When you give up today, nothing will change about you. Instead, when you give up, the day you give up is a sign that you are incompetent. The day you go to school, you study medicine for 6 years, the last day, which is the number 7 years supposed to graduate, you give up. It's a sign you are incompetent. True of us. True. Any day you give up on yourself, it's a sign that you are incompetent. And you cannot be called an example of an incompetent person. That is why you should not give up. You should not give up. Giving up is a sign that you are incompetent. Giving up is a sign that you are not qualified. Number 4. Giving up is a sign. Not giving up is a sign that you believe in your dreams. When you don't give up in life, it's a sign that you believe in your dreams. Imagine my plans. I've always told people, I want to be that kind of mommy whereby every morning I go, I drop my child off, I pack my child school, how is it called? Lunch box. Pack my child lunch box. Small biscuit, small apple, you put one apple inside. There are some of you who eat apple one time in a year because it's really expensive. But I want to be that kind of mommy whereby, not this one for 100. That one is the one that is premature. Correct apple 1,000. That's the one I want to pack in my child's school bag. Every morning I put one apple, I put small biscuit, I put small indomie with egg. Then I put a small bottle of juice. Then I take my child in my car. I drop my child off. Even the principal will see my car come and knows that this is a mother of that person coming to drop the child in school. See, even if this life would take me 10 years, 20 years, even if at 69 years, before 70 I will attain it. I will attain it. I cannot afford to give up. No one day. Why? If I give up, who will do it for me? If I give up, my children will suffer. They will suffer. If I give up, my siblings will suffer. That's the reason why I cannot give up, because I so much believe in my dreams. My dreams are big. Imagine, I've told you here before now. I want to be on that blue ocean inside the ship. The ship now. Inside the ship. Early in the morning, with my white robe and a cup of ice cream. Very early in the morning, that fresh sea breeze. I must experience that life. It does not cost how long it take me. So if you go crazy, you watch me on Instagram. Please follow me there. So that when you go crazy, you can still be seeing the update. I'm telling you this, go and write it down. Even if you take me how many years, I will attain it. I must go there. I heard that there's a red sea, there's a blue sea, there's a white sea. I will experience it. I cannot be limited here. I believe so much in my dreams. I don't know how long it will take to happen. But it will happen. That's the reason I cannot give up. Because I believe so much in my dreams. Do you know what God is showing me every day? I will just recommend and start giving up. How come? If I give up, it means I don't believe in my dreams. I cannot give up because I believe in my dreams. So, not giving up in life is a sign that you believe in your dreams. So, we're standing here. We are always seeing a limousine inside the TV. You are not seeing it with your eyes. You need to experience it, not just seeing it. You want to be like Moses, you see the promised land, but you don't enter. You must see it and you must experience it. We are not different from those that are doing that. They all started from us, but the problem is our mindset. The problem here is our mindset. Number five reason why you should not give up. Many persons are waiting for you to benefit from your success, and that is a priority you cannot afford to miss. Do you know how many persons believe that the fact that you were going to school, you'll be a lawyer and they'll benefit from your back? Do you know how many persons believe that as you are sponsoring you, your father, your mother, your brother, your sister, they believe that you are going to school studying medicine, when you succeed, they'll benefit from you? African mentality is not like American mentality. In Cameroon, let me focus in Cameroon, when you succeed, your mother, your auntie, your brother, your sister, your nephew, they all want to benefit. It's not like in America where you focus on your mother and your father. No, or your children. Yeah, your auntie, even the ones you don't know them from the village, they'll come to their graduation. Because they are coming to benefit. And because you know that many people are waiting for you to succeed so that they can achieve or they can benefit from your success, it's a reason you cannot afford to fail. I cannot fail because my siblings are waiting up on me. In fact, I cannot even fail because my mom is still looking up to me. I cannot fail because my dad is looking up to me. I cannot fail because my children. So when you give birth like the four, you are laying in like eggs. Those children are looking up to you. They want to grow up to be proud of the mother they have. They want to grow up to be proud of the father they have. Those of you that are going to UB, you have a story whereby a father carried a bunch of plantain and the mother coming to look for a child refused. Because the mother is not the kind of mother that the child wants to see. Is that the story you want? Failure is inevitable. The more you fail, the better you become at your craft. In this life, failure is inevitable. But the more you fail and rise up, the more you become better at your craft. That's why it is only tough people that survive the wind. It is tough people that survive the storms. Because in life, failure is inevitable. It is something you cannot tell yourself that I will not fail. You will definitely fail. But your ability to be able to rise up and walk again, it makes you better at your craft. Because you now gather more experience. That's the first thing you should know. Because when it happens to you, they'll say, why is this thing happening only to me? It happens to everybody. But they stood up back and they had to pick themselves up. So failure is inevitable. You can't run away from failure. You can't. You can't run away from failure. Not one day. Point. Why you should not give up? Nothing good comes easy. Success is difficult to earn. It is not for lazy people, but for strong mind and resilient persons. Success is not easy. If it was easy, let me tell you. If success was easy to earn, we'll be working hard. We'll be working hard. But success is difficult to earn. You must first of all know that. Success is difficult to earn. And that is why success is not for people who are lazy, people who complain, people who cannot sacrifice, people who are not willing. It's for people who are tough. It's only tough people that succeed. Weak minds don't succeed. Madam, you know, me like this, this my menstrual cramp that I cannot even push. Small menstrual cramp you cannot push. There are people who don't have legs like this. I've seen a guy that does not have legs, but that guy is molding blocks. I have seen it. I have seen people in this boy that we are living. They are not walking like me and you. They are sitting on a chair, but that woman is waving this Bamenda dresses. She lives in Libe beside my auntie's house, but now she's in Boya. She has one bicycle like that she enters inside. That woman does not have legs, but she sits on a bicycle. She's weaving dresses. You have legs, you have eyes, you can walk, you can talk. Then you say, I cannot. It is difficult. What is easy? What is easy? That's why out of 10%, it's only 1% that succeeds. And that 1% that succeeds, we are seeing like Nyongo people. Because success is about Nyongo man. Not before easy man. Success is for occultic persons. People that can put in the sacrifice. Sacrificing your time. Sacrificing your energy. If today you are 20, let me tell you, 20 years from now you'll be 40. You go see her in a dream. Wait, by the time my baby will start coming, the crash, you will understand. When you get to 40, that time, you'll be looking at your friends back. You're like, we started together. If I be no, I would have persisted.